All right, I'm in my unboxing room, I guess. Yeah, it's time for another unboxing, guys. I did one yesterday. Let's do one again today. Why not? It's a great day for an unboxing. So, I got my scents from LuckyScent.com. Great fragrance site. No advertisement here. um, awesome. Every time I get fragrances from them, they send you little samples, compliments. Usually, what they do is they give you samples or send you free samples of fragrances that are at least, around the same genre that you purchased or from the same company you purchased from. So I've purchased fragrances from Heeley and Labo. They sent me a Labo sample, which is Bergamot 22, and they sent me two Heeley samples, Heeley Iris de Nuit and Heeley Sel Marin, which the Sel Marin is the one that I wanted to try out. So props to Lucky Scent. They send you little samples, saves you $3. So let's get to it, the unboxing. Now, if you check out my blog, you know what I'm getting in. I got in Heeley Menthe Fraiche, and I got Le Labo Rose 31. So let's get to it. Let's start off with the Heeley Menthe Fraiche. Now this is in direct competition with this guy right here, Roadster by Cartier. Now this used to be my favorite mint fragrance. Now this is going to be my favorite. I love the sample I got from this. I actually found out about this company through a magazine called GQ. I'm sure a lot of you know about GQ. They had an article about the Heeley fragrance, which was Menthe Fraiche, and I was like, I love mint fragrances, why not? So I got the 100 ml. Interesting thing is the packaging. It's just like kind of just not really a box, so kind of cool. They have the notes in the back here: spearmint, peppermint, Italian bergamot, freesia, white cedarwood. So definitely going to be a minty fragrance. It actually says created by the English perfumier and designer Heeley Eau de Parfums, made in France according to the traditional art of fine perfumery. Composed from rare ingredients of the finest quality. Menthe Fraiche is a unique and elegant scent suitable for both men and women. And yeah. And these blocks here, because it's going to open up one blocks and come out the other one, it says these blocks can be recycled to create a pair of vases. They're watertight. Kind of cool. So let's take this sucker out. So like I said, it's just a liner here. And then we got two little blocks. Booyah. Alright, so Menthe Fraiche. Finally. It's about time. So I got the big bottle. I got the 100 ml. Classic, timeless piece. We got the logo here, EE. Alright, so let's test her out. Actual wood. Wooden cap. Okay, cool. So let's spray this sucker and give you an initial impression. I had a sample of this. I actually sampled this before I bought it. So a rare time that I actually know what I'm getting. So let's see what we got. Oh my god, this is... Yep. This is what I got, baby. Oh, this is so minty. If you like mint, this is... It's got, it's got a little bit of every side of mint. Like it said, it had the peppermint, the spearmint type of feel. It's totally different from Roadster. Roadster is kind of like that, kind of like a mint leaf. This is, some people think it's like, like bubblegum, spearmint, peppermint type of feel. But I really enjoy it. So it's a different vibe, but definitely worth it. I really, really like this one. So there's the Heeley fragrance. Now my Rose 31. Rose 31. Now, with them, they actually put your name on there. And they say fresh until. Mine's fresh until 2011. Better last longer than that. Okay, so I gotta actually rip this one apart because they got a sticker at the bottom. And there we go. Okay, and there it is. That's it? Yeah, okay. So this one, Rose 31, is actually in direct competition with this one. Number 88, Rose fragrance, rose based. Here it is. I'm going to blur out my last name because I did put in my my name in there. Mark. There we go. So let's take a look at this one. Now this is actually a different take on a rose than number 88 over here. So this is my first Labo fragrance. Okay. Now this one, oh, I didn't even know they actually have writing on their cap. Look at that, Labo. Nice, nice touch. Okay, so it's a spicy rose. I got some pepper in here or something. There's some spice. Feels like there's some pepper to it. So they're kind of camouflaging the rose a little bit. Very nice touch because it's really delicate when you're doing a rose fragrance for men. You need to be careful. You don't want to smell like an old lady because that definitely happens with rose fragrances, rose based. So another fine purchase. These two guys are going to get some play with me. They are going to be in my regular rotation. They are great purchases. So I'm happy. I hope you're happy. I'm going to review these bad boys soon. I still need to review this guy, number 88. My first rose fragrance. Roadster, if you want to see a review, I reviewed it. Definitely still one of my favorites. But just to let you guys know, not to confuse it, this mint is different from this mint. So if you really like this one, definitely sample this one because it's a little pricier. So guys, that's my new haul, unboxing / initial impression. Hope you enjoyed it. I got a review on vintage today, so John Varvatos. So look out for that review coming tonight. Hopefully I got a little more time. I'm going to do good, the bad, and the ugly. Haven't done one in a while, so hopefully I can get that mixed into it. And I still got to do your subscriber's choice. My Yves Saint Laurent one. So heads up for that. I got to do that this week. I can't put that away. So guys, see you later. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later.